You're delivering results, you're leading well above your title, and somehow the recognition keeps going somewhere else. That's not a performance problem, it's a positioning problem. And the difference between these two diagnoses changes everything about where your career is headed. I'm Dr. Denée Choice. I work with high-achieving women leading in complex, high-stakes environments. Women already operating at an executive level who feel like they've outgrown the roles they're in and are ready for something bigger. What I'm about to share is something I see repeatedly with my clients, and it explains why some of the most capable women leaders keep getting passed over for opportunities they've already earned. It shows up in 3 different ways, but underneath all 3, it's the same pattern. And once you see it, you'll know exactly which one applies to you. So a quick note before we go on, I have a free masterclass called How Women Leaders Rise, linked in the description. It's a deeper look at the leadership dynamics that shape how women advance and what it actually takes to lead at the next level. It's linked in the description below. So the first way this shows up in women leaders, you're delivering at a high level, but the recognition keeps going somewhere else. You're watching less qualified people get tapped for the bigger roles. You can't figure out why it's not you, and you're starting to wonder if there's something you're missing that you just can't see. The second way it shows up, you have the title, but you're not fully occupying it. You stepped into a bigger role and immediately started waiting for clarity that was never coming. You have the authority to just decide, but you're leading like you need permission first. And the third way, you know you're capable of more, but you can't get your head above water long enough to get there. Every day gets consumed by what's urgent, and the work that would actually move you forward never gets touched. 3 different entry points, same pattern underneath. As I start working with clients on this, 2 beliefs come up almost every time. The first is that your work should speak for itself. That if you keep delivering, keep performing, keep showing up, the right people will notice. And the second belief, that self-promotion feels cringy. You've watched other people do it badly and decided that is not who I am. And both of those sound completely reasonable. I used to believe both of them myself. But those 2 beliefs, however reasonable they may feel, are quietly keeping some of the most capable women leaders from getting what they've already earned. And we're going to talk about why. So here's what I want you to know. The self-doubt that comes with this, the quiet wondering if maybe you're the problem, that is not a character flaw. It's what happens when capable women spend years inside systems that under-acknowledge their contributions and then point to personal development as the solution. You started solving for the wrong variable because that's the variable the environment kept pointing to. The recognition gap isn't a performance problem. It's a positioning problem. And you can't position yourself for opportunities that you don't truly believe you're ready for. That's where we start. So drop a comment below. Which version resonates with you the most? Are you delivering but not getting the recognition? Do you have the title but not fully owning it? Or are you capable of more but can't get your head above water? I'd love to hear where you're at. So here's where I suggest you start. Next time someone credits your work, notice what you do in the first 3 seconds. Don't try to change it yet, just notice. That's where the pattern we're going after lives. My How Women Leaders Rise masterclass is a deeper look at the leadership dynamics that shape how women advance and what it actually takes to position yourself for the next level. It's free and it's linked in the description. And make sure you watch the next video, because the story most women have been told about why they're not advancing, it's wrong. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about next.